Every CEO wants sharper decisions, yet very few use the tool that makes those decisions effortless. Silence. Clarity. If you want to elevate your leadership and sharpen your intuition and stop second guessing your choices, silence is the actually secret weapon you've been overlooking. A few weeks ago, a CEO came to me frustrated. He had a massive decision to make: expand aggressively or consolidate and strengthen the core. He had the data, he had the advisors, he had the board's opinions. He didn't have clarity. He told me, Francois,
the more I think, the less know. I feel like I'm drowning in options.
So I asked him something surprisingly simple. Have you given yourself silence? He looked at me confused. Silence? In the middle of a strategic decision that could change the trajectory of the company? Yet, he trusted the process. He stepped away from the noise, shut the door from his office, and sat down in complete stillness for 15 minutes. Yes, block time. When he returned, he said something powerful.
I didn't find the answer found me.
What a concept. Because silence doesn't force clarity, it allows clarity to actually rise from within. You have the answers. You'll be amazed when you do it as well. Caveat on this: the more you do it, the better you get at it. So give yourself time, because it works. Here are 3 pro tips for this week. Pro tip number 1. Silence breaks the overthinking loop. I'm guilty of that one, overthinking. You know, when your mind is spinning with what-if scenarios, silence interrupts the cycle. It creates mental distance, so your deeper intelligence can actually emerge. In silence, you stop reacting and you start perceiving, and that gives you a powerful edge. Pro tip number 2. Silence activates intuition. You see, your intuition is not mystical. It's pattern recognition at the speed of trust. It's your highest form of intelligence. Yet, intuition can only be heard when noise stops. The quicker and the quieter you become, the more accurately you can feel which direction is actually aligned. You even feel calm about it. Pro tip number 3. Silence restores leadership presence. When you lead from noise, you project urgency to everybody around you and reactions. And when you lead from silence, you project calm and authority. Teams follow leaders who are grounded, not frantic. And then silence, the quiet weapon, pun intended on this one, is how you reset that eternal and internal foundation. So if this resonates with you, you know where to find me. These are the kinds of confidential conversations I have every day with CEOs who want to lead with clarity, not chaos. You too can become intentional with some guidance. Here's the integration assignment, because we need to take action, right? Before your next major decision, take 10 minutes of structured silence in those 4 ways. Number 1, sit somewhere quiet. It could be in your office, disconnect. Number 2, bring your challenge or question to mind, and there's a trick. Then, release that tension. 3, simply observe what rises without forcing an answer. And finally, 4th, after 10 minutes of silence, then you write down what feels clearer or what feels lighter. It will come. Clarity often comes in whispers, not chaos. So pay attention and listen for the whisper. It can ultimately be your superpower. Silence isn't empty. It's full of answers, actually. And when you learn to embrace it, your decisions become sharper, your presence becomes stronger, and your leadership becomes unmistakably intentional. I work with top CEOs and executives through confidential conversations that sharpen clarity, strategy, and leadership presence. I promise progress. If this resonates, let's connect and together create the life you'd be proud of. And make it a great day, and let's make it a great life. Talk soon.